Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remote start your Subaru Ascent. Remote starting your vehicle offers great convenience, allowing you to warm up or cool down the interior before you get in. We will cover two main methods, using your key fob and utilizing the My Subaru smartphone application. This feature helps ensure a comfortable driving experience, especially in extreme weather conditions. To remote start your Ascent using the key fob, first ensure all your vehicle doors are securely locked. Next, press the lock button on your key fob twice within 2 seconds. Immediately after, press and hold the lock button for about 3 seconds. You will hear a single honk and see the exterior lights flash, indicating the engine is starting. The engine will run for approximately 15 minutes. For remote starting with the My Subaru app, you will need an active Starlink subscription. Open the My Subaru application on your smartphone and log in. Navigate to the Remote Engine Start feature and tap the Start button. You will then be prompted to enter your 4-digit PIN for security. The app also allows you to adjust climate control settings, ensuring your Ascent is perfectly comfortable upon entry. Remember to always use Remote Start in a well-ventilated area to avoid carbon monoxide buildup. After remote starting, your Ascent remains securely locked. To drive, simply unlock the doors, enter the vehicle, press the brake pedal, and then push the engine start button. The engine will typically run for 5 to 15 minutes before automatically shutting off, depending on your settings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.